Good morning, everybody. Eric Stone, Stone's Bookkeeping. I am a faithful believer in Jesus Christ, and I am your biker bookkeeper. A disclaimer, today's video is not designed as tax advice. Please consult your tax preparer for details on what we're going to discuss. If you do not have a tax preparer yet, please give me a holler. My contact information will be down in the comments, and I would love to help you. So most of the One Big Beautiful Bill, we've been talking about how it's going to help, how you're going to save some on your taxes, how it's going to be amazing. Today we get to talk about a change in 2026 that's going to hurt a bit. So the changes to the premium tax credit. If you're not aware, this is the credit that you get if you have one of the plans from the marketplace, they used to call them Obamacare plans. Basically, if you're paying out of pocket for insurance because you're self-employed, this one's going to hurt a bit. So the changes are essentially the caps are reduced, the credit's reduced. Most of us are going to pay more out of pocket for these plans to have insurance. So, ouch. Okay, just there's no two ways about it. This is going to suck. So starting in 2026, if you have a plan through the marketplace, you're going to see the changes basically immediately. So when you go to sign up, hopefully this fall, when you're working to pick your plan for next year, you're going to see the amount of the credit reduced. You're going to see the caps reduced. So more than likely you're going to either get a lower credit or you're not going to get a credit at all when you purchase your health insurance, which is going to cause more to come out of pocket, which again, it's going to suck. Okay, I'm sorry. This is going to affect me directly, so I'm going to have to pay more. I'm going to try to work that out so it's not quite as impactful to my family, but just be aware of it. It's going to suck. It's going to cost us more. It's going to be more out of pocket. I'm going to try to work out and see what I can figure out to reduce the impact to me, and I'll be glad to share that with my clients as I can. So the premium tax credit is going to be reduced. The caps are going to be reduced, so you're going to get a lower preponderance of the credit as your income goes up. So we're going to pay more out of pocket. This is one of the few disadvantages of the One Big Beautiful Bill. I'll take it with all the advantages, but yeah, it's going to affect me directly, so not too happy about it, but you know, it was a necessary change. It was something that was a huge advantage to those of us that had to buy the plans. It helped quite a bit in the past years, so please consult your tax advisor on some ways that you can reduce the impact to your bottom line, and let's work on this together and let's find a good resolution. So please, before you leave, subscribe to my channel so that you can get all my awesome updates as we venture into the future. Thanks, guys. Bye.